In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the font size in Yahoo Mail. Whether you're finding it hard to read your emails or simply prefer larger text, adjusting the font size can make your email experience much more comfortable. Let's walk through the process together. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Yahoo website. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log into your account. Simply enter your username and password, then click the Sign In button. If you have two-step verification enabled, make sure to complete that process as well to access your inbox. Once you're in your Yahoo Mail, take a look at the left side menu. There, you should see an option labeled More. Click on it to reveal additional options. Among these, you'll find the Settings button. Click on Settings to proceed. Now, in the Settings menu, look for an option called Writing Email. This option allows you to configure how your emails appear when you're composing them. Click on Writing Email and you'll be presented with various customization options. In this section, you'll want to locate the font size setting. Clicking on this will provide you with a range of sizes to choose from, starting from tiny to huge. Select the font size that best suits your preference. This change will apply to the emails you compose, making it easier for your recipients to read your messages. Now, if you find you need a larger view of everything in your Yahoo Mail, not just the emails you send, there's another handy trick. You can adjust the entire interface size by using your keyboard. Simply press and hold the Control key on your keyboard and scroll the wheel on your mouse. This action will zoom in or out on the page, enlarging or reducing everything you see. It's a quick way to make everything more readable without altering your actual email settings. And that's it. You've successfully increased the font size in Yahoo Mail. By following these steps, you can ensure your emails are more legible and you can enjoy a more comfortable reading and writing experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips help you personalize your Yahoo Mail to better meet your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.